Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm making juicy and flavorful chicken keema kebab. Crispy outside, tender inside, and packed with aromatic spices. This quick homemade kebab recipe is perfect for snacks, lunch, dinner, or party platters. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup chicken pieces and pour it into a blender. Add 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 teaspoon green chilli. Blend everything into a smooth keema mixture. Do not add too much moisture while blending. Transfer it to a plate. Now add 3 tablespoons onion, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon garam masala. Add fresh coriander leaves, 2 teaspoon curd, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix everything really well until nicely combined. Rice flour helps create a light crispy texture. Ghee adds rich aroma and flavor to kebabs. Fun fact: keema kebabs are inspired by traditional South Asian street food. Now take small portion and shape them into kebab. Keep the kebab mixture slightly firm for easy shaping. Heat oil in a pan and fry the kebab in medium heat. Cook until beautifully golden brown and crispy from outside while staying soft and juicy inside. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Chicken is a great source of protein. Homemade kebabs are fresher and more hygienic. Using fresh spices improves both aroma and taste. You can control oil and spice levels easily at home. Your delicious homemade chicken keema kebab is ready. Serve hot with sauce, salad, or paratha and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy homemade recipes.